Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix missing premium features in Rocket Money. So if your Rocket Money premium features aren't available even though you have an active subscription, the issue is usually caused by an expired membership, signing in with the wrong account, or your premium status not signed in properly. So in most cases, restoring or reactivating your membership resolves the problem. So actually, guys, you will need just open the Rocket Money app, right? And that's to check your premium membership status. So you will need to go and tap on the gear icon settings that are located at the top right or left corner here, and then just select the premium membership. So verify that your membership is active, and if your membership has expired, you will need to reactivate it to regain access to your premium features. So you will need then to restore your premium membership. So if you're subscribed or if you subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you will need to go and open the settings, same gear icon, the top left, yeah, and go to the restore premium option. You will find it right here inside the premium membership. So tap on settings, premium membership, then tap on restore premium and wait for the Rocket Money to verify your subscription, and then your premium feature should appear once the restoration is complete. So if you purchased the premium directly through the Rocket Money, you will need to open the settings here on left hand menu and then just tap on the premium membership. You will find it listed here. Then just tap choose your own price and confirm that your membership is active or reactivate it if necessary. Then wait a few moments for your premium benefits to sign. Also, guys, you will need to make sure that you have signed in to the correct account. So actually, guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.